I've been in this space for 27 years, and I've been involved in leak repair and bolting for that entire period of time. Now, prior to starting Innovator, I worked with many of the world's largest providers of bolting services and some of the world's largest provider of leak repair or supposed leak repair services. And what surprised me was the difference between the talk and doing the walk. So I witnessed sort of executive level meetings where we talked about how great our bolting program was and how we had this great bolting process. And I said, well, great. So if we have this leak-free guarantee, well, what does that leak-free guarantee mean? And in every case, it was, well, we'll write them a check for the $500. Who cares? My clients don't care about getting $500 back if they get a leak. Now, when I was looking at valve packing, what I found interesting was that valve packing material suppliers, and there's a variety of them out there who supply our clients with either die-form packing or bulk packing, they'll have 2 or 5 year warranties on the packing material, and the people who installed it had a 0 warranty on the installation. How does that make any sense? And then, I was in budget meetings for many years in my life on the leak repair side of things, where right within the budget of the people I worked for at the time, my competitors today, where they had planned for a 20 or 30% uptick in revenue based on the leak repair work that they would sell. So if they were planning on selling $100,000 worth of leak repair, they were planning right into their budget, right into their operating practices, that they were going to make another $30,000 off of their clients by selling them more sealant and more leak repair injectors and more labor, which is called, their re-injection revenue. And I thought, how can we be a leak repair company or a leak prevention company if we aren't standing behind our work? Nobody does this, but everyone calls it leak prevention, everyone calls it leak repair, but what they're really not telling clients is it's actually not a guarantee. It's not leak prevention. It's time and materials to do bolting work, and it's time and materials to perform leak mitigation services, but not having any risk reversal. So our pay once promise comes from this work history of, I found it being very contradictory to say that you were a leak prevention bolting contractor or to say that you were a leak repair contractor, but right in your business plans have plans that you weren't going to stand by your work.